The YouTube thumbnail game is on, and I'm your host CGR, back with another episode. Today, the topic is what matters. Because just like here, recording this episode matters. When I just recorded it and I forgot to press record, and recording it again when I do not have time, when I have a lot of work pending and I need to leave the state to another state, my home state. Recording this episode matters even though I do not have time and I have recorded it again. So, in the YouTube thumbnail game, what matters, views or CTR? The short answer is views and not CTR. Yes, CTR is, like I also felt it, and I guess you feel that CTR is more closely related to the YouTube thumbnail is more closely correlated to CTR. Like you can, like if the video is bad and thumbnail is great, that's not on you. If the title is bad and the thumbnail is great, that's not on you. It will not make views. But if the video is good enough and the title is good enough and your thumbnail is really great but not related to the script, the video will not make views. That's so simple. The thumbnail, the title, the video all must go along. So as a thumbnail designer, your job is to make the thumbnail that's more related to video. You need to read the script and understand the context, so that when people, if you create a very enticing thumbnail and the video does not deliver, first of all it will get dislikes, people will not like it, there will be drop offs, the engagement will not be high, so it will not matter. CTRs will not matter. Views make money. Views spread the message of the people. It's not CTR. And when people make money, they are happy when their message is spread to more people. Then they are happy, not when they get a great CTR and everyone's clicking, but no one is even getting the impression of the video. So if you are a thumbnail designer, and you feel you are looking for a performance based payment method, like in the sales there is maybe a performance based metrics are really cool, because it is your income is not based on just your hours, but it also gets based on the quality of work you are doing. So performance based, it will always be based on the number of views and not click through rate, because views will make them money. If people are making money, then they will be happy to share that amount of money. Also, CTR is more just a note. A CTR is more like a graph rather than one definite number. Your job as a thumbnail designer is to make a thumbnail that closely represents the script. I will emphasize it again and again until I end this season. I end this podcast. I'm not gonna end it, by the way. So make the thumbnail that closely represents the script, because you do not have the video made already, but you do know what's gonna be and what the thumbnail is, what the video is gonna be, what the script is already, what the voiceover will be, etc. So make a thumbnail that closely represents the script. Have a great script, have an awesome video, and spice it up with a legendary title. Whenever I have read a script of the video, like let me tell you my experience. My first video that got my client's first video, the thumbnail that I made got 500k views. I did not know what to make for the thumbnail. I did not have any inspiration as such. I did not have any inspiration as such. I did not know what to make for the video. That's why I read the whole script. I discussed it with the chat GPT to understand the angles that I can show in the video, that I can show in the thumbnail for that video, and then I crafted the thumbnail, and which was like it's my first, like I'm kind of proud that it's my first video to reach 500k views, of which thumbnail I made, so that is something. So in the end I will just say that a great video needs a showstopper thumbnail. So that was 10th episode brought to you by CTR Designs in the YouTube thumbnail game. Thank you.